Tony Amato here with Amato Construction. I'm out here looking at a roof for a potential client. They said they've had some leaking issues. They actually got a new roof through an insurance claim. They had some storm damage. Insurance gave them a new roof. So roofing company come out and took their old shingles off, put new shingles on, and called it a new roof. But I'll tell you what, anybody that's any kind of contractor would have looked at this and said that this is a no-go. Like this, there's no way that this is going to fly. Not only is this not going to fly, this is a flat valley in here where two roofs meet. This was an addition put on. It was just horrible framing from the get-go. And when these roofers come in here to redo this, why in the world did they not say something that this isn't going to fly? Not only did they not say something, but this valley in here, they left the old valley in there. They did absolutely nothing to attempt to give them any kind of waterproof system here. They peeled shingles off, put shingles on, collected their insurance check, and was down the road. And they say it's it's not their issue. It's a gutter issue, not a shingle issue. They say it's not their problem. So we're out here to make it right for them. What we'll do for this customer is we're gonna basically reframe the roof system. We're gonna put a peak coming across the other way, run valleys out, get rid of this flat valley in here. It's just a shame what some of these contractors do, and what they get away with these clients. So we're gonna come out here and make it right for them. This should be an interesting one.